Alright, this is the demo. I've done a little more work to it. As you can see, it's still pretty much the same here. I've fastened a metal brace right here, and I've also got a piece sticking up right here. Now look, when I turn that, the whole thing turns, and that is because on the bottom I have two plastic pulleys with a neoprene belt between them. Nothing magic, nothing fancy, nothing. Just you turn one, the other one turns. Okay. Everything else is exactly the same. I did put a piece of rubber hose here to dampen some of the noise. And I'll show you what we're doing to power this right now. Currently, it doesn't have its own power supply. It relies on something else. So I went down to Harbor Freight and bought one of these $10 screw guns and made my drive system so that it fit that. Now, as you can see, it's not actually fastened to anything. It's just basically sitting on there, and then it'll come around and hit this. I did put a piece of wire here which binds up the trigger just to hold it on. So here we go. Just want everyone to see exactly how this is working. I don't have any wheels on it yet. Right now we're just sitting on a couple of 2x4s. But here we go. As you can see, it's moving. It's going to twist a little bit. There's only one unit here turning. It's definitely got movement in one direction. Here, let me stop it, and I'll turn it around so you can see it from this side as well. Ready? Here we go. Now I did try running it from my DeWalt, which runs much faster. It is variable speed, so I could run it just slowly, which was fine, but when I started to crank it up, it was going to tear itself apart. So this is just under 200 RPMs. I'd probably like about 300 RPMs, but this is a terrific little demo. Next, we're going to be putting some wheels on it so we can see it scoot across the floor, and it's small enough we'll be able to put it in a small boat, watch it scoot across the water. Although right now here in the Northeast, it's everything is frozen. It's about 20 degrees out with a 15 to 20 mile an hour wind, which is whipping up some pretty good snow squalls. But we'll do something along that line as time progresses. First, we'll get some wheels put on it so we can see it go across the floor. Anyway, that's it for now, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please be good to each other.